Hello everyone, in this lecture, we are going to paraphrase and explain line by line, Sonnet 4 by William Shakespeare. But, if you are new to my channel then, please subscribe and like the video. Let's move and start it. Unthrifty loveliness, why dost thou spend? Wasteful youth, why do you waste? The poet is addressing a beautiful young man, begins by calling him unthrifty, meaning wasteful. He asks the young man why he is wasting his beauty by not having children. Upon thyself thy beauty's legacy? Your beauty only on yourself? The speaker is wondering why someone with beauty doesn't share it with others or use it in a way that leaves a lasting impact, rather than keeping it just for their own benefit. Nature's bequest gives nothing but doth lend, nature's gift doesn't give anything permanently but only lends. The speaker is arguing that the young man's beauty is not his own possession, but rather it's a loan that he has been given by nature and that he should therefore share with others. And being frank, she lends to those are free. Nature is generous and lends her beauty to those who are generous themselves. Nature is more inclined to give its gifts, including beauty, on those who are open-hearted or free with their own attributes. Then, beauteous niggard, why dost thou abuse? Then beautiful miser, why do you misuse? The speaker is criticizing someone who has beauty but doesn't use it in a generous or positive way. The bounteous largest given thee to give? The bountiful beauty you were born with? The speaker says that beauty is meant to be shared with others, not saved. He is addressing him that he is given beauty in abundance. So, he should share it. Profitless usurer, why dost thou use? Unprofitable moneylender, why do you use? The speaker then goes on to compare the fair youth's beauty to a sum of money, and argues that he is a profitless usurer for not investing his beauty in the future by having children. So great a sum of sums, yet canst not live? You have been given so much beauty, but why you are not using it to live a full and meaningful life? The poet says that even though you have a tremendous amount of beauty, you cannot truly live or thrive if you keep it all to yourself. It suggests that beauty is more meaningful when shared with others rather than being kept selfishly. For having traffic with thyself alone, for being self-absorbed. The speaker criticizes a fair youth for his beauty for being self-absorbed, for keeping his beauty with himself without sharing it with others. Thou of thyself thy sweet self dost deceive. You are deceiving yourself about your own beauty. The poet is warning the fair youth that he is deceiving himself by not having children. He does not share his beauty with others. Then how, when nature calls thee to be gone, then when death summons you to depart? The poet addresses the fair boy that if nature calls him, so what will happen then? Nature calls thee, means if death comes to him and he dies. What acceptable audit canst thou leave? What legacy will you leave behind? The poet asks the fair boy that what he will leave behind if nature calls him or death comes to him. He directly asks that what legacy will you leave if you are no more? Thy unused beauty must be tuned with thee. Your unused beauty dies with you. It means that if the young man dies without having children, his beauty will die with him. The poet is urging the young man to have children so that his beauty will live on. Which, used, livest, executor to be. Unless you do use it and then it will be your executor. The speaker is addressing a young man who is wasting his beauty by not having children, and he is warning him that if he does not use his beauty to create new life, it will die with him. Well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.